Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader if it's not opening. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, right-click on a blank space right here on the taskbar, click on Task Manager, and just type down Acrobat. Okay. Now, in here, go ahead and Task. All. Okay. Right-click and Task to all Adobe Reader or Acrobat services. Okay. And Task and Task. Wait for it, close this one, go ahead over to your start menu, right click on it and click on installed apps. And then in here, find Adobe Acrobat, okay? Click on three dots, modify. Wait for it. Then click on next. Now just click on repair. Next, update. There you go, just wait for the process to finish right here. And then after that, open up Adobe Acrobat and check if it helps. All right, if that doesn't help, well, you gotta find your search bar and type down %local app data %. Again, %local app data %. Just click on it. Now here, you gotta go back to the top, click on app data, find roaming, Adobe right here. Okay, double click, find Acrobat, click, make sure that it is highlighted, click on delete, close this one. And after that, go ahead and right click on Adobe Acrobat. Click on Run as an Administrator. Click on Yes, and it should work now. That is it. That's how simple it is to fix Adobe Acrobat Reader if it's not opening. If all else fails, just reinstall the application. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.